The Story of a Stratified Squamous Epithelium Cell by Casey Lewis. This is Billy. He is a simple squamous cell. This means he is very flat, and he has hardly any organelles inside of him. Most cells like him are meant for diffusion or osmosis, which is a process where water or nutrients pass through a membrane to perform a specific job. But with help from his friends, they can form an impenetrable fortress against the outside world called the stratified squamous epithelium, better known as the skin. Even though simple squamous cells make up most of the skin, they have help from another type of epithelial tissue called stratified cuboidal cells. They help the squamous cells get blood, which has oxygen in it, and nutrients so that they can protect more efficiently. Together, they all perform one of the most important jobs ever, protecting the body. They prevent water leaving the body or coming into the body unnecessarily. They also stop harmful bacteria and viruses from coming into your body and destroying it, and keep your organs from being org-outs. And when you get a cut, squamous cells heal it up good as new in a short time because they are always performing mitosis. Mitosis is how cells reproduce. Normally, cells are in interphase, which is when they are performing their normal jobs. Cells start prophase when the DNA is in chromosomes. Those chromosomes move to the center of the cell, and duplicated centrioles move to different poles of the cell. In metaphase, the chromosomes are on the equatorial plane and microtubules from the centrioles attach to the chromosomes. Anaphase begins when the chromosomes have been pulled apart and start moving to the poles of the cell. Soon, telophase begins and the nuclear membrane reforms around the DNA, and cytokinesis splits the membrane. The end product is two brand new cells who have both just entered interphase. This has been Billy's life for almost 4 weeks now. However, he's noticed something kind of odd lately. He has become closer to the free surface, and his body's filling up with keratin. Keratin is a protein that makes up hair, nails, and the hooves of animals. He has had a very good life protecting the body, and now his time has reached its final point, its end. With happy thoughts, he closes his eyes as the keratin continues to fill his body and dies. But it's not over yet. The keratin in his body has made himself waterproof, and even after his life he continues to protect the body. At last, he is on the very top of the free surface. In just a few short days, he flakes off the skin with some others and disappears into the dust. His story, the story of all stratified squamous, will always be remembered, for without this tissue, we would just be a pile of organs and bones with absolutely no life. The end.